Okay, I just want to quickly remind you that when you're writing Roman numerals for these, major and minor still counts. Everything we've done has been major, just kind of oddly enough. Well, I guess here's a minor, a couple minor chords. But it could be that this happened. Unlikely. Flat minor sixth, that would be lowering this G flat. That's unlikely. But in the Roman numerals, if that happened, we would have to use the lowercase Roman numerals. I see a lot of the time people, when they're doing this kind of thing, they use flat six without thinking if it's major or minor. They just use the big flat symbol and then the six, but it might be minor. Whenever you're going from a major key to and borrowing from a minor key, it's going to be minor. We've seen it, or sorry, it's going to be a major chord. We've seen it in 3, we've seen it in 6. We haven't built a chord on the borrowed 7th yet, but let's see what that would be. So that would be with B flat as the root, D, F, because D is not a borrowed note. It's the same in major and minor. F is the same in major and minor. So B flat, D, F is a major chord. So 7th would be a major chord also. So that would be written as flat 7, like so. It'd be written like that. And you see that one a lot, actually. We haven't used it yet, but it is very common, especially in pop music. Pop music loves the flat 7 chord. Not to be confused with the 7th chord that has a note that is a flat 7th. 7 with a th after it. 7th. This is a flat 7 chord, which is a chord built on the flat 7 of the scale. Very confusing. Some of this lingo gets a little tricky when you start throwing around these 7s. But always pay attention to the quality of the chord. None of that has changed. We always need to be sure that we're writing the correct quality, whether it's flat or not. Little public service announcement. Don't forget about that.